Very good morning, all. Thank you so much. You keep on supporting me and encouraging me in all the way. I'm really indebted to you. Please keep support me in upcoming days also. And today's topic is it will give you a very peace of mind to you all, especially the job goers. I wanted to clarify one thing very clearly. When I'm saying this, no, you will feel very less stressed, reducing of your stress. See, in a day, you're working more and you are doing a toughest job. I'm saying in a day you're working more and doing toughest job. I'm telling whatever your work, which means the toughest work or lightest work, or I'm telling less work or more work. I'm talking about the quantity of work. Whatever the work, what amount of work, day work only. It is all about day work only. Remember, I'm again saying whatever the work you do, what amount of work you do, it is all about the day work. So never you put yourself in a uncomfortable zone when you are working. It is all about a day work. எவ்வளோதான் நீ வேலை பார்த்தாலுமே, என்ன டைப் ஆஃப் ஒர்க் நீ வேலை பார்த்தாலுமே சரி, எவ்வளோ ஒர்க் பார்த்தாலும் சரி, a day work தான். If not, you are sometimes people used to what discomfortable themselves. They have sent me for doing that job. If not you are doing that job, you will be doing some other job. Again I'm saying a day work. Cool, my dear. If not you are doing that job, you will be doing some other job. Again, anyway you are going to do the job only. You do that job, that's okay, no problem at all. When people are asking you to do some other job and that place, when you are to be sent to that doing that job, no, people are always stressing themselves. Ayyo po soltangle. Anyway you are going to do a job na, a day work. Any amount of work or any toughest work till 4 o'clock or till 4:30, depends upon your college, organization overtime, you are going to work. A day work is a day work. Again I'm saying it is not the amount of work, it is not the type of work. You will work a day work only. Do not put yourself in a very stress zone. Okay, I'm working this much amount of work and I'm working a toughest job. Anyway a day work. ரொம்ப அதாவது ஐயோ இவ்வளோ கஷ்டமாக நம்ம வேலை செய்கிறோமே, இவ்வளோ டஃபஸ்ட்டாக செய்கிறோமே. எனிவே a day work only. 4:30 it will evaporate. You will go to the home. Again I'm saying whatever the work is, or what amount of work is, it is all about the day work. Again I'm saying whatever the work is, which means a toughest work or lightest work. Again I'm saying what amount of work is, it is more or it is less, a day work only. If not you are doing this job here, you will be doing some other job there. அவ்வளோதான். Do not put yourself in a very discomfortable zone. Kindly listen to me and also do it sincerely, because as I said, no, a day work only, a day work. So do it sincerely and happily. இந்த ஒர்க் இல்லைனா வேற ஒர்க் பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பேன், அந்த ஒர்க் இல்லைனா வேற ஒர்க் பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பேன். Do it very sincerely and happily. You do that work. அங்கே போய் பண்ணிடுங்க. அப்படி சொன்னானா யூ அக்செப்ட் இட் ஹோல் ஹார்ட்டட்லி. அப்படி இல்லைனா இங்கே ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன். இஃப் நாட் யூ வில் பி டூயிங் ஜாப் ஹியர், தென் ஒய் வரி? Do it happily and sincerely, my dears. See, in sunrise where you are, that is what your life. In sunset where you are, that is not your life. In sunrise, no, where you are going to the office, that is what your life. Job is life and life is job. Kindly understand this. Live very quality. You are not only working, you are living. Kindly understand this. So live a quality life and do it very sincerely, happily. Whatever the work is, what amount of work is, quantity of work or the the type of work, will be a day work only. If they are saying no, if they are saying something, no, you admit it. you admit it. That is very very important. Once again, if they are saying no, don't admit it. Show the chest of your work choice and show the evidence with the selfie. Okay, what the point is here, if they are saying that you have not done the job, if they are saying you have not done the job because you are doing some other work right now and they are called for some other work, you are doing some work here, they are called for some other work, because of your engagement of that work, this work is actually stagnating and people are asking, why you are not doing this job. Some other people, some authority doesn't know about it, no, why you are not done this job. If people are asking so, no, you say with the evidence. That is very important. With the evidence, with the evidence is very very important. Do not simply admit, ama sir na pannala sir. Why are you admitting? Do not admit. Say truly, sir, I have engaged in that work, sir, that is why this work is stagnant, sir. Take selfie along with that people where you have worked. That is no problem at all, okay. That is, but don't take selfie when you are going for restroom and all, okay. When you are engaged in other work, no, take selfie or take evidence. That is what I always used to say to my people. Have diary and daily you note it all the things. When your boss is asking what you have done all the days, no, you show it personally. That is very required. Again I'm saying, put diary, daily you write what job you have done and show it to your boss. This time I have worked this done, this time I have, for a very peace of mind I'm telling, for a very very peace of mind I'm telling, kindly do it. And we come for, yes, we when you are so busy, when you are put yourself so engaging, you don't find any time to gossiping others, politics and also romances. Sometimes it is all productivity killer, it is all productivity killer. So kindly avoid this by putting yourself very busy and engaging. It is not necessarily that you are the productivity killing, but also it is actually killing your lifespan. When you are so idle, you feel enhanced sugar and what to say, blood pressure, everything is happening when you are idle. When you are working, everything will be cool and your calories would be burned exactly. So will everything happen when you are continuously engaging, continuously busy. And some people won't work and they are getting salary. You may earn salary but it won't stay. You may earn salary but it won't stay. நிற்காது. நீ சம்பளத்தை ஏர்ன் பண்ணலாம் பட் நிற்காது. See, chief accountant is there, chief accountant. You cannot cheat that chief accountant, Sometimes you used to say, you காணாம போயிடுச்சு, that money has been stolen, it has been missed, ஐயோ காணமே, because you may earn but it won't stay. That's a key point. Again, what to say, try to serve the end user. End user is very important. You are going for weekend somewhere, holiday or somewhere you are going, you used to withdraw money from ATM card, 500 notes and 200 notes and 1000 notes, probably any notes are okay, and you are taking and you are going for hotel, and ordering all the things where your family likes. இதெல்லாம் வாங்கி வாங்கி சாப்பிட்றப்ப நல்லா நல்லி பிரியாணியோ, யூ டேக் எனி திங், மட்டன் பிரியாணி எல்லாமே, இட் இஸ் ஆல் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தி எண்ட் யூசர். எண்ட் யூசர்னே யார் பார்க்கணும்? ஃபார் காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், ஃபார் கார்பரேட் கஸ்டமர், அவனை நினச்சிட்டு நம்ம செயல்படணும். திங்கிங் டம் வி ஷுட் ஆக்ட். When you are manufacturing place, you should think about the customer. When you are marketing place, when you think about the customer. When you are in a research and development place, you must think about the customer. When you are in HR department, you must think about the customer. End user எப்பயும் மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கணும். That is very very important. And what to say, okay, more work and tough work. Again the same concept. If it is more work, if it is a tough work, a day work only, and even when I'm not working, when I'm going for a home, my wife won't hug me, because when my wife wants to hug me, he actually expecting there must be some smell from my shirt. வேர்வை இல்லைனா என்னை கட்டி கூட பிடிக்க மாட்டான் என் ஒய்ஃபு. That is very important. That manly smell and womanly smell will come when there is a sweat. அவள் உழைச்சிருக்கான். In the day end you must looks like a ugly. If not, You are saying smart work I have done. Okay, remaining thing you have occupied. That remaining thing for a self progress. அதனால யூ ஷுட் கெட் டயர்ட். சார் நான் ஸ்மார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணேன், அதனால் நான் டயர்ட் ஆகலை, மீத ஒர்க்குக்கு நீ செல்ஃப் ப்ராக்ரஸ் பண்ணணும், அதில் டயர்ட் ஆகணும். ஓகே, இன் த டே எண்ட் யூ மஸ்ட் லுக்ஸ் லைக் அக்லி. இஃப் நாட் நோ, in the day start and the day end you are same, no, which means sorry, you are doing some other job. You understand, no? Beautiful morning and evening also beautiful the same, which means you are doing some other job. I don't want to say that job name. So have peace of mind. Again I'm saying, it is not about more work and toughest work, a day work. Thank you, love you all.